This is a early Jaguar E-type OTS. So this is the 3.8 liter engine. This is a full restoration. It had some rust damage in it, as a lot of them ultimately do. So a lot of metalwork all the way back up through first assembly, back apart, and then back up through paint. And now the fun bits of final assembly. So this is a kind of a tedious thing to get everything accurate and placed correctly, but it's also the funnest part of it because everything's clean and restored and the car is coming together and you get to kind of watch that happen. So E-types are kind of unique in the way that they're constructed. They're not complicated, but there's a lot of things you can get wrong if you're not familiar with them. This one's coming along nice, coming along pretty quickly. We're just laying in the wiring harness now. We've got the drivetrain and the suspension in it, so the big bits are in it and should be coming along pretty quickly now.